Best baked potato I ever had, bar none, was my dad's twice baked, once barbecued, smoked on the Weber. Best ever. These are gonna rival that. Hey everybody, I'm Chef Dad, and this is my Bacon It Better loaded baked potato. These are our bakers. This is what we had available to us in town.
And there's only 4 because there was.
There's only 4 because there was only 4. That is not a very big baked potato. But that's okay. What are we gonna do? We're gonna make loaded baked potatoes and we're gonna bacon it better. Okay, we're gonna go through each one. Put holes all the way along it. I'm putting these in the oven at 400 degrees for 45 to 60 minutes. And that is because I want to have a nice, hard, crispy-ish exterior. I want this to have nice, crispy skin. So I'm gonna take some high quality olive oil that I cannot recommend because they don't ship here. I'm gonna put some olive oil on it. There, I'll just then saturate it. Make sure every part of it gets that olive oil on it. You don't want any dry spots, just get olive oil all over it. That was the perfect amount of oil, see? No dry spots. They wanted to charge me $50 to have it shipped. How did we get here? Now we're gonna go on with Chef Dad smoked salt and make sure you get this salt everywhere. If you can't get Chef Dad smoked salt yet, just use kosher salt. Of course, it's not gonna hurt anything to put a little extra salt on this outside. This will dry them out. It will absorb some of that moisture from the skins and it'll give us a nice crispy skin. Okay, anything else right now? No. Don't add anything else because it's gonna burn. These are gonna go in the oven for a long period of time. So, put them in there, close up, timer. I'm gonna say 55 minutes start. I've got some venison breakfast sausage here. And I got bacon for baking it better. Breakfast sausage, if you haven't seen it, check out the video. And it works with everything. Venison, pork, beef, moose. Red pepper flake. Let me cleanse my palate. Oh man, that red pepper flake got right there. Okay, so that's our potatoes. Nice crust on that one. Okay, those are the potatoes out of the oven. Take our potato and we're gonna take it about at that level. And we're gonna cut it straight across. Take a spoon and we're gonna core out. Don't break the skin. Just getting that center piece out. Ooh, easy, easy. You don't have to core it all. Just enough that you got a good cavity in there. And these tops, you definitely just scrape that out. You want that. You want that. If you wanted to, you take these tops like this, put cheese and everything that you want on there, throw them right back in the oven, and have a beautiful potato skin. That's not what we're doing here today. First, I want to go in with some butter because I want that to start melting down. I'm also going to go in with some of this Colby Jack cheese. Okay, then we're going to go in with a healthy glob, because this is healthy, of some sour cream. Now we're just going to turn everything over and start mixing it up. Make sure you need everything to get incorporated. We're going to start by going in with our potatoes with some of this breakfast sausage. Much or as little as you want. Then at this point, might as well just go in with a little touch of cheese. And then underneath, we're just going to go in with a dusting of bacon because this is going to go on top. Because this is baking it better, man. This is our coffee bacon that we make. So we're gonna come back in here and we're gonna get this, starting to get everything incorporated together. You want that butter all melted down, cheese incorporated. Okay, so this is where we're gonna give it a try. Go in here. Super good right there. But we're gonna take it up a notch. We're gonna get some Chef Dad smoked salt in there. And we need some black pepper. But okay, then I'm just gonna re-mix everything here. I'm using a fork because I want it to get smooth so that I can put it in a piping bag and it will actually extrude out of the piping bag. If I didn't do that, it'd get all clumpy in there and it wouldn't extrude out. If it's not liquidy enough, it's not gonna come out of your piping bag. We're gonna go ahead and start filling our piping bag. See if we can get everything through it. So we put it in a cup that is too small so that we can start to fill that piping bag without making a huge mess on the outside of it. And we're going to continue to fill it because this is going to take quite a bit of this potato filling. I'm going to pinch the top here and squeeze that down just a little bit. We're going to start filling our potato. And if you get a clump, just hold it. If you want to, you can squeeze it right over another one. Or you can take a fork, push up inside, break some of that loose, put it over your bowl. There we go. Okay, gotta move it again. So then we can start filling the rest of our potatoes. Make sure you get every nook and cranny covered there. Take a little bit of our bacon, just lay it out on top. Because we're baking it better here. Okay, we're gonna get this right back in the oven, right under the broiler. Keep an eye on it, it will not take that long. I'm impatient, we're gonna get these out of the oven, we're gonna get them served. So, here we go. Look at those beautiful things. What is this? This is ranch that we made, and it's glorious. There's carrots and olives in here. So, before you might have been like, oh, that's not a loaded baked potato. Yes, it is. How do I want to go about this? Yes, I like the way that you think. That's so good. It has these all sorts of different layers of flavor. It's got that breakfast sausage down at the bottom, a little spicy hit to it. It's got that ranch over the top, which is that super light ranch. I don't know how I made a light ranch with what I used. But then it melts together with all that creaminess and the bacon. I mean, the bacon shines through. Oh man. Okay, I missed some of it on that last bite. It's a 10 out of 10. I tell you why. Because it's got the sausage, the potato, the bacon, the ranch, the olives. Yeah, it's got all of that. You know why it doesn't have chives? Because I didn't have any in the fridge.
I like the texture of the potato. I don't like baked potatoes that are super, super soft. Like you basically put mashed potatoes
back
in
into
there.
it.
It's not like that. It's still textured enough that this is a meal. The ranch on top just brings it all together, so it's not a dry bite of potato either. It's really good.
If you get everything together and it looks like that, that's the way it should be. That's comfort. If you had that on one of my 2-inch thick steaks, you're gonna be in a food coma, but you're gonna be in heaven. There's so much there that's complementing flavors together. You need to watch the ranch video, you need to watch this video, you need to watch how to make the coffee bacon video, and the breakfast sausage. This is a climax of so many different things all coming together. YouTube picked this video for you, I picked this video for you. Right over here, that's the subscription button. I love doing this. Keep me doing this. I appreciate every one of you.